Hey, what's up guys? WRG here with another video. So today I have a very cool unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see, this is from Gogans to We Run Guns. And this is a gold AK-47 shipped directly to your home. How cool is that? Now, yes, it is a mini, but still just as cool. Gogans was really cool to send this to me. Check for links in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like these kind of videos, please like, share, subscribe. Helps out the channel. But without further ado, let's get started. Got the Kershaw Blur here for its unboxing duties. Let's do it. Very nice. So I was hoping this isn't too complicated to put together, but I don't think so. Looks pretty basic. I think if you could do a real AK, you could definitely do this one. Here's the instructions we got. But just to show you guys the detail in these pieces, it's pretty incredible. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna put this together, show you how it looks. So these are the instructions it comes with. I'm gonna go through real quick, step by step, how to put this thing together. Shouldn't be too difficult. Let's get started. The first step is pretty straightforward. As you can see here, these pieces should fit together. Slide right in. And you'll want to keep these there present for the front part of the stock. So you'll get the top part of the stock, throw that in. It should align there pretty easily. So this goes in here. Just push it back in. And then you'll take the bottom stock, obviously the thicker part towards the back. And that'll come right in. So that's step one. So notice that it comes with 5 screws, and there are 2 different types. You have the 2 of the more coarse ones and larger ones on top, and then 3 of the smaller ones on the bottom. So the smaller ones are actually metal and for metal, and the top one is actually for plastic. So then we just have to take one of the small 3 ones and put it in here in order to secure this piece. And you don't want to put it too tightly. So this one you'll just kind of loosely put it in with the included tool. And that should be pretty good for now. So the next step is to just slide in the receiver. You'll see that I took off the bottom part of the front stock so that I could better put this in. I was having some issues. I think just the tolerances were a little different putting them in, and these screws have to align. Right now they're lining up pretty good, but earlier I had to really kind of work it in and kind of take it in and out in order to slide it in. So if you do have a little trouble with that, I think it's no big deal. You just have to kind of work it in and out until finally it slides in pretty easily. And one thing I did do, not sure if this is against the rules or not, but I just kind of had to line it up here and then kind of just put a little pressure downwards, try to make sure it's solid inside. And now it lines up pretty good. Okay, so then I'll take the small, less coarse screws, and then I'll just screw these right in. All right, perfect. So see these going in. Get this one as well. All right, cool. Next step. I'm going to take the charging handle, and you're going to slide it right in. So there you go. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this pin, make sure you have the spring loaded in, and then simply line it up. So it will come right in here inside the action and right back there. So that should look pretty familiar to you guys. So next up, we just add the dust cover on top, or upper receiver cover. So we just want to make sure this joins in, not a lot of space there. And then we're going to want to push down and make sure that this comes through. So see how that came through, and it should be good to go. Let's check it out. Very nice. All right, so next up, we'll just take our buttstock, add it in the back. Should slide right in pretty easily. You want to make sure you put it in pretty tightly and then line it up. And we'll take one of our core screws. There's only two, there should only be two left. So let me drop this on top carefully. Okay, so I just screw this into the top. It is pretty tight, but I guess that's a good thing. That way you know it's going to be secure. Yeah, in general, my specific model has been pretty tight in most of the tolerances, which is good because I know it's going to be pretty sturdy once it's done being built. A little left. All right, cool. And then just the bottom one. Okay, so I'll just screw the bottom one in. And let me tell you guys, when this thing is done, you will feel accomplished. So put this in. Again, very tight, but I think that's a good thing. All right, cool. So that's in. Now we'll take this pin and we'll just slide it to the front. You'll see these holes here where they go through. So pretty simple. And I do have a little bit of resistance here on this screw. So I did give a little bit of gentle pressure on my included stand. And with a few taps, you'll see I got right through it. And I'll want to go all the way. So, and I want to make my way towards the back, which I do here. And I want to go inside right there. See if I made it. So right there. So that should be in. Very nice. Just to make sure. And yep. In. Next we're going to throw in the compensator. Nice little final touch. Fits pretty snug. Got it on straight. All right, so let's finish this baby off with some actual rounds. They are taped in, so we'll take them out. And good thing they have it like that so you don't lose it. And basically just take each round and let's load it up in the mag. Very cool. And last one. So we're loaded up, good to go. Let's rock it in, just like we would our AK mag. And we're good to go. Quick function check. And that is your Gogan Gold AK. Alright guys, so I have to say this is pretty badass. I mean, it was a little bit of work putting it together, but it's definitely satisfying. Just like when you build something, you know, you feel like, it's mine. And I know it's just a model, but still pretty cool. Very realistic. I'm very impressed with a lot of the components that they put together. A lot of thought went into it. Trigger, you could pull it. This is pretty functional. You have your sights. And just to show you the detail that they go into on top so you could see. Pretty impressive. So again, makes for a really nice collectible piece. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. WRG out.